A team from the Commerce Ministry will be visiting Washington, D.C. very soon for another round of talks with their American counterparts for a proposed trade pact. This is something that a government official had said earlier today. The official also claimed that negotiations will take place on both an interim and the first phase of the bilateral trade agreement between India and the United States during this visit. The specific dates for the visit are yet to be finalized. However, sources are indicating that this Commerce Ministry team could expect to visit Washington as early as next week. Let me go across to my colleague Hina for more on this. Hina, these are important because the negotiations continue to be underway between India and the United States to work on the specifics of the bilateral trade agreement. Now, this comes even as the Americans have extended their deadline for the imposition of reciprocal tariffs vis-a-vis India till the month of August. So there is a bit of a breather between now and the beginning of August for the final round of negotiations, presumably to conclude between India and the United States. What's expected to be on the table?
Well, we have got a breather as far as the Trump tariffs are concerned, Siddharth, and as you know, Washington has been in fact issuing letters to several countries almost on a daily basis ever since the 9th July deadline got over. But we have got a breather till about 1st of August. And as Union Minister Piyush Goyal had mentioned a couple of days ago, that we do not work with deadlines in mind when it comes to negotiating for a trade deal. We have national interest. For us, that is supreme, that is paramount. So now the latest information that we've gathered is that as per sources, the Indian Commerce Ministry team, Indian negotiating team is going to be visiting the United States of America once again for another round of talks with with the Trump administration before a mini trade deal is finalized, and hopefully something concrete it can be expected before 1st of August. Remember, even 1st of August is not like a hard line here, because when Trump was asked that question, is he 100% firm that 1st of August is going to be the final date, he said, well, we'll see how countries react. If they come up with a good proposal, I'll be okay to look at it. So perhaps for finalization of this mini deal that we've been calling it, for that the negotiation team is going to be visiting US. Dates will be finalized soon.
Once the dates are finalized, we'll be sure to get in touch with you once again. Hina, many thanks for that. We'll take a short break right now. We'll come back with more on the other side.